Subsoil drainage, Harry, based on what you said about the drains here being quite close to the surface, we're not going to be able to put a gravity T on our standpipe. So if you look at the design drawing for this pool, you'll find the standpipe detail and a dotted line of a T coming off it. The drainage won't be sufficiently deep to add that connection. So we'll have no connection there, which means that all management of groundwater, as discussed when you and Connie were out here with me, all management of groundwater will either be, initially definitely be by a manual system linked to the pool operating system. And it is for that reason that at the pool equipment zone you should have a stormwater point. So you've got a stormwater point here presumably, and I would extend that to this zone. I don't know if you've got looks like your tank overflow might be into a solid pipe. So if you can get a stormwater point through here to the pool equipment zone, that means it's available if at a later date you want to put an automated groundwater management system on, which I probably suspect you might want to do. In the meantime, we will need a sewer point here for the waste connection, and that can be a 50mm pumped line back to wherever they can get into the sewer, which may well be right there, depending on what your plumber advises. And what else? Yes, so that's in terms of subsoil drainage initially, until you have, or unless you have, a fully automated system, which is about $3,500 cost for a pump and control system and all the infrastructure that we've already got in here. You'll be using the manual system, which means turning a valve to access the pool that is outside of the swimming pool in the ground. And certainly in the first few months or even years of owning the pool, you want to keep an eye on that level of water, because the last thing you want happening is the valve operating in the pool and bringing dirty groundwater into the pool and then not seating when the pressure equalises between pool water and groundwater, as discussed today. All the best.